Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I took a hairline that was not working for me and how I turned it into this with a very simple process. It's a throwback technique. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So this is my first wig review of the new year. Happy New Year to you guys. So I do have a vlog up and I'm telling you guys in the vlog like where I've been and stuff. So if you haven't watched the vlog, go ahead and watch the vlog. So today's video is brought to you by a company I have not worked with before. So this company is Arabella Hair. This is a 5x5 closure wig, but I did have to finesse the hairline to get it to look like this. So I'm going to tell you guys about that after I show you guys the unboxing and the application process. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look together, then just keep on watching. Missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me. Okay, so at this point I have washed and conditioned this wig, and I put some leave-in conditioner in it as well. So I was checking out the hairline for the first time and it was very, very thick. So of course I started off with tweezing the hairline, but then I realized it was really, really thick. So I would have to tweeze this hairline forever if I wanted to, get rid of the bulk of that hair. But I was like, I'm going to put that on hold for now. And then I went ahead with my Shea Moisture Frizz-Free Curl Mousse and I ran it throughout the hair. And I clumped the curls with my Felicia Leatherwood brush. And I let it air dry for several hours, probably like 4 hours in front of a fan. And this is what it looked like after it was air dried. I did put that elastic band in the cap so I could wear it glueless. So this is still a glueless install. I'm just going to be taking out some hair in the front. So the hairline to me, even with tweezing it a little bit, was just too thick. But for the area that I did tweeze, I did use my contour on the lace so it would like blend better because it was a lighter lace. So if you do tweeze your hairline all the way up, like really tweeze it, then you can make this work. But I didn't want to tweeze it that much. So what I did was I sat the wig behind my hairline and just took out some of my edges. That's just a simple solution that it's not going to require you to have to tweeze forever. This is like an old technique. Like we did this with half wigs and stuff like that. And that's essentially what you're making this into, is somewhat of a half wig. And it just instantly looks so much better. So I just gelled my edges down with my Style Factor Edge Booster. And then I took some matte black eyeshadow and just kind of slimmed up the part a little bit. And then I added some more pressed powder as well to wake it up. So I did have a defined part here and it looks so much better. This is such an easy technique. I'm going to talk about if you have hair loss and everything later on in the video, so stick around for that. And then I wanted to show what this looks like if it was just kind of a flip over. So what I did was I just took my comb and I kind of concealed the parting space and then filled in the parting space with the matte black eyeshadow just for a more flip over look. So I showed you the more defined part and then what it looks like as a flip over. And this was just a really easy install after deciding to take out a little bit of my hair. So let's get into the review. All right, guys. So you guys saw the process of me applying this wig. And before we get into how I feel about it, I'm going to tell you guys the specs. This is their Real Glueless HD 5x5 lace closure wig. This is in the Jerry Curly texture. It has a pre-plucked hairline, 180% density. It has a natural black color. So I have mine in 18 inches. This is where it falls on me. I'm 6 feet tall. So it might look longer on you depending on how tall you are, but I like this 18 inches. I washed and conditioned this wig, and then I used my Shea Moisture coconut and hibiscus frizz-free curl mousse. I ran that throughout the hair, and I clumped the curls with my Felicia Leatherwood brush, and the curls look so pretty. I did let it stand in front of a fan for probably 4 hours to get it dry. And then I did tweeze the hairline some more. So it says that it's pre-plucked, but to me, it is not pre-plucked. The hairline was pretty straight across. I did start to tweeze the hairline, okay? I did start to tweeze the hairline, and then when I put it on, it was still very dense. So one con I do have about this wig is that the hairline is super dense, so it doesn't look as realistic as it could be. So that's a big con for me, because I don't want to have to tweeze the hairline as much as you're going to have to do if you decide to wear it on your hairline. You're going to have to tweeze it up a lot. So, and if you want to wear like no leave out or anything like that, you're going to have to really go in with the tweezing, and I didn't want to have to do that. So what I did was I took out a little bit of my edges and I sat the wig behind my hairline, and I think it looks so much more realistic. Now, I do realize that everybody can't do that because some people suffer from hair loss, and one of the reasons they're wearing a wig is so they can, you know, so they can cover that hair loss. So if you are somebody who suffers from hair loss, you're going to have to go in a lot with customizing this hairline in order to cover your whole head without having any leave out. But I did. I tried to make it work for my hairline, and I think it looks so much better with taking out just a little bit of leave out. I think since I've had a sew-in for the last 2 months, and then I recently tried a U-part wig, I really like the look of a supernatural hairline. So that's the biggest con I have with this wig. But as far as everything else, the actual hair is stunning. It's very pretty, a really pretty curl pattern, and I've been telling you guys about this for the last 2 years since Kai put me on. This is just holy grail at the end of 2022, which is the Maui Moisture Flexible Hold and Coconut Milk Curl Foam Mousse. This sucked. This was horrible. It was so sticky. This is not sticky. It's lightweight. And after the hair dries, it's soft and manageable. It's just perfect. This is the only curling product I use now. So the hair is very pretty. It feels like it's good quality. I had minimal shedding during the washing process because I tweezed the hair afterwards. And another pro is the price. This is a more affordable human hair company. So if you're in the market for something more affordable, this could be a good option for you. For the 180% density and 18 inches, this is going to be $179.99, which I think is pretty good. And if I continue to wear this wig, I'm definitely going to wear it with leave out because I just feel like it just blends so effortlessly and it just looks very natural. Like my hair color is like a number 2, and this natural black that they have blends very well with my hair. So overall, I think this is very pretty, but the hairline needs a lot of work. And if you don't want to have to do that, you can pull out some of your own hair. But if you don't want to have any leave out, you're going to have to tweeze it up a lot. So it has some pros and some cons with it, and I wanted to share those with you guys. So if you are interested in this wig from Arabella Hair, you can head over to their website. I'll have everything linked in the description box for you guys. Shout out to Arabella Hair for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Won't you be